I did say that 500, a little bit over 500,000 people were screened, were qualified to contest the election, and 700,000 people turned up, and INEC refused to do the needful. And the Constitution, in the electoral law, it is very, very clear. Wherever you have overvoting, outright cancellation, it is unambiguous. It is stated as a fact. Why we are saying that it portends danger was because that was exactly what happened in Imo State. And incidentally, it's still the same Labour Party state. And to this moment, that election was stolen. And again, in Imo State, figures we are reading, you asked a question about, I just told you here, that the state chairman, Barrister Hejagwa, was dragged on the floor. We came with tons and tons of evidences of overvoting, tons and tons of evidences of mishandling of electoral law. And let me also, we really do not want to go into the judicial interpretation because it will be some kind of a sub judice. But let me tell you that we have several people lined up for evidence. And against the rule of the law, of the tribunal, they didn't even allow us to present 5% of people that were willing to testify. Take, for instance, the beavers. Over 400 copies of beavers were used. And we are not allowed to screen or to even investigate. What they do that very day is, after fighting, after making all the noise, they said that we will have to show them. I mean, they will come and show you beavers. You are not allowed to touch. They will show it to you 2 seconds. Is that how to inspect beavers? We are not even allowed to inspect the beavers. Out of 400, we are allowed to inspect only 30. And incidentally, it was the same tribunal that said that because we are not able to provide the beavers, how is it, are we the custodian of beavers? We are not the custodian, the electoral umpire, who are the custodians of beavers, refused to release them. Out of 400, they were able to show only 30. But we do not want to go to that because our legal team are handling that, is already in the court. Because it is purely miscarriage of justice. And now a lot of people think it is Labour Party. But the earlier people begin to be apolitical about this and begin to speak to the truth, speak to the power, and ensure that the right thing is done, the better for everyone in Nigeria, or else this democracy will be in a serious threat.